Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla marshmallows updated. Begin by blooming gelatin in cold water, then heat sugar and corn syrup to soft ball and whisk into gelatin until fluffy. Add vanilla and a pinch of salt, spread into a dusted pan, and let cure at room temperature. Use a stand mixer for stable peaks and let the marshmallow rest overnight for best texture, then cut and dust pieces. Mix gelatin, corn syrup, sugar, water, and vanilla carefully to get smooth marshmallows. Combine sugar and corn syrup in a saucepan, dissolve, then boil to 240 degrees F. Remove and slowly pour into softened gelatin while mixing on medium-high until volume increases and mixture fluffs. Continue beating until it holds glossy peaks, about 8 to 12 minutes. Spread into a pan, dust generously, and let cure at room temperature for minimum 4 hours. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated while whipping sugar by keeping an Owala water bottle nearby for easy sips between steps. This bottle seals well, fits cup holders, and makes cleanup effortless when hands are sticky from marshmallow sugar. If you like this tip, please subscribe and like for more kitchen shortcuts, and check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Common issues include weeping, grainy texture, or gummy centers, but simple fixes work well. If syrup crystallizes, wipe sides of pan and restart with low heat. If marshmallows weep, reduce humidity or cure longer. For firmer marshmallows, increase gelatin slightly. For softer, reduce it a bit. Flavor can be boosted with vanilla paste or extracts, and you can fold in chopped toasted nuts or chocolate chips near the end for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.